Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to update apps on Google Play Store. So let's begin the video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Google Play Store for updating your apps. At the top corner there is your Gmail. You will simply tap on that corner option, and here is the first option of manage apps and device. You will simply tap on manage apps and device. So at the top there is manage option. You will simply tap on manage, and at the second option there is updates available. You will simply tap on updates available. So these are the updates which are available. So you will simply tap on any of the app which you want to update from here. You will simply tap on it and tap on update. So the process will be start of updating the app. So once you have updated one app, you will simply tap any of the other apps also. So you can simply tap on it and update it. So this is the simple process. It's a simple and easy process of updating apps from Google Play Store. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos and do hit the like button. Thank you.